Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey guys, so today we are on some sterling work and we are at the Courtly Hotel where we're setting up to do the photo op of our awardees, 2021 awardees with their awards. So Mr. Photographer, BMC Photography himself, Brian Cuff, Google him. He's getting ready, setting up for our awardees to come. Not all of them will be in attendance because a lot of them are overseas at this time, so we decided to just go ahead and do the handover with those who are actually here. Hello, BMC Photography in the building. Yay. Sweat. Oh God. Alright, so here we have some of the awards. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Guys, we went to Starbucks for the first time in Jamaica.
Me the first time anywhere.
And before we could even vlog, as I showed you some of what we did. Brian drink up something.
You see my name on food and eat it.
And I had the pink lemonade. I saw some other YouTubers talking about
Guys,
it.
I go Starbucks.
I saw some other YouTubers talking about it, so I decided to try it, and oh my god, so good. So if you're in Jamaica or wherever you are and you have a Starbucks, you can try this. I don't know what the official name is. I just said pink lemonade and they knew what I was talking about, but that wasn't what they had on the board. Bap, bap. So yeah, you can try that. So you enjoyed yours?
Burp.
Well, as you can see, burp. So we're in Kingston and we are going to be heading back home very soon. Kingston hot. What? And traffic. No, I don't know how so much car in a Kingston and so much car, man. It's like, no sir. Cars on top of cars. And it's like, it doesn't matter what time of day it is, there's traffic. Like, pile up. And bottlenecks. That's what they call it? Yeah, and bottlenecks at different parts. But yeah. Heading home in a few, so we're gonna pick up the girls and head home. Hey guys, so I'm on the road today by myself. Have to get some stuff done, and just got something to eat. And yeah, sitting and eating by myself is so weird without the girls, you know, asking me for some or whatever. It felt good, like I'm just sitting here and just eating by myself. So I think I'm gonna buy an ice cream and sit and eat it by myself as well. When the girls see this vlog, they're gonna be like, Mommy, how you buy ice cream? But it's nice as a mom, especially when you are with your kids majority of the time. It's nice to just take some time, you know, just take some time to have some you time, even if it is just sitting in the car or whatever. And it's one of those days. And then when I'm done here, I'm going to get a pedicure, do my nails, and then I'm gonna go home. So it's just a day of me time today. And you know, I still have on my mom shirt. Yeah, so a day of me time today. But you know, I just want to encourage mothers and fathers who, you know, parent full-time or they're stay-at-home parents to take some time out for you. It's important for your mental health. It's important for you just, you know, being able to manage the day-to-day activities. It's important to take a break, and it's important to just relax a little. Yeah, just relax a little. So I'll be taking you along today. I already got one thing done, and I just had some breakfast from Burger King. So yeah, I'll show you the other parts of my day as I take you around. All right, big ups. So this is where I'm going to get ice cream. This is where I normally get ice cream in Mandeville when I'm in Mandeville. Since I was a teenager, the name has changed, but yeah, still good ice cream. It's beside Sagicor Insurance up by Bird's gas station, for those of you who know Mandeville. So yeah, I'm gonna get me some pistachio ice cream. guys, as I buy the little ice cream, guess what thought came into my head? That I need to start going to the gym. I want to start going to the gym to build, because I don't necessarily want to lose any more weight. I think I've lost most, if not all, my baby fat, and I don't want to get slimmer. I just want to build on what I have. So I'm considering. I call this pistachio in the throat, my G. Yes, I mustn't talk and eat, you know. So this is pistachio ice cream or sugar cone. So when I have this, I'm gonna sit quietly and have it. And then I'll be on my way. Okay guys, I've had a long day. So I went and I did my nails, my fingers and my toes, and went to the supermarket to pick up some stuff. I was gonna vlog while I was in the supermarket, but sorry, my hands couldn't manage everything, so I couldn't do that. But there is this drink, I don't know if you guys have ever had it. It's a coconut milk drink. They have it in strawberry and chocolate, and I saw papaya a while ago. Have you guys ever had this? I had it once and I loved it, and I said I'd try the chocolate this time because I tried the strawberry before. So yeah, here we go. Let me know if you've ever had this. It tastes good, really really good, from Coco Royal. Yeah, so I am heading home now. I'm heading home. Bria has already called to ask where I am and if I bought something. I bought them patty and cocoa bread because they love cocoa bread. And I bought some soup because I think I'm gonna get some rest when I go home because I'm kind of tired. So yeah, that was basically what my day was like. So I'm heading home now. Yeah, I'm trying to remember if I need to get anything else. You know, sometimes you're on the road and you know there's something else to get, but then you don't remember, and then when you remember, you already reach home. The whole works. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. A Whole Foods so expensive? No sir. I don't know about you, but majority of our money goes into buying food. Not even paying bills, but buying food. Food expensive bad, but we have to eat, so that's how you go. That's how you go. Well guys, thank you for tuning into this vlog. We showed you snippets of different days, and we hope that you enjoyed it. All right, bye bye until another video.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.